Hi, I'm Jason Cryer, and this is my CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript final project, VenUse. Now, the average user will come into my application via a Venue homepage, like this one, for the Icon Co-working Hub. They'll choose a room that they wish to book, or in this case, they're booking a desk in a co-working space. So let's see, Desk Alpha sounds good. Oh, I need to create a user because I do not have a username. Then I'm redirected back to the home page of the venue. So Desk Alpha, here I can see September, and it looks like these black circles are unavailable. I want to book one desk for a whole week, so I'm going to take this first week in October, and I'd like it for the morning and afternoon. Okay, now I can have a look at my venues. I don't have any venues. If I wanted to be a venue owner, I could make one. I can look at my bookings. Okay, I can see all 5 of those bookings I made on the dates and then the times I booked. I can go back here and I can see that I don't have a venue, and I can click there to add one. I can also see some other venues that I could potentially book. Now we're going to look at it from the point of view of a venue owner. So the venue owner can manage their venues. They have the Ultrasounds recording studio, and we can see the bookings for that, and we can see these users have all booked time in my studio in that room. Perhaps what we need to do is actually add a new studio. So we'll call this Studio 2. And this one has a fancy guitar in it. We can have up to 5 people in that studio, and it's going to be available Monday afternoons and evenings. We'll just make that weekday afternoons and evenings. Fridays we're not going to make this one available, and the weekends it's going to be available morning, afternoon and evening. We add that room, it's now there. And what we can see if we go here, so we can actually go to the venue's homepage and we can see the 2 rooms. We could actually also get to the venue's homepage via here. Now let's say we're doing so well, we want to open up a new venue in a different city. So we might call this Ultrasounds West. Maybe this is on the West Coast. Let's go in and we can see we need to add an address for this venue. The entire site is mobile responsive also. We can see here a venue homepage in mobile view, booking a room, gives us a calendar, also mobile view our bookings, of which Optimus has none. We can look here, we can look at the studio, maybe update the availability. And that is VenUse.